poppin', guys? It's your boy Sun Gohan / Mikey the Awesome Gamer here 2.0. And guys, I don't think there's really nothing wrong with my wallpaper, so I'm not gonna change it, guys. And that's my friend from the school that I go to. So yeah, so today, guys, we're gonna be doing a pack opening. And guys, I know it's like 3:01. It just turned like 3 a.m. So yeah, I just want to do a quick video, nothing too long, and I just want to do a quick pack opening from Mortal Kombat. And yeah, so let's get into it. Waste no time. Alright, so as you can see, it's already loaded up, and let's just go into the store. And yeah, so let's get the character. And so this is the one we can afford. And let's get it. And let's see what we're gonna get. Yeah, guys, sorry about that. I don't think I could hear myself over the music, cause in my latest video, like, I tried to talk over the music and I couldn't really hear myself. So let me just turn it all the way down, and I think that's good. So let's just go into the pack opening and let's get it. See what we gonna get. So as you see, I have 186 souls. Oh, it froze a little. Sorry about that, guys. It froze a little. And let's go. Alright, but first let's work on our banner real quick. Ooh. I can't really do anything there. So yeah, let's just quickly get the pack over with. The pack opening over with. So let's go. 3, 2, 1. I'm sorry, guys. That scared the freaking crap out of me. I did not know. Like, that completely surprised me, guys. Like, it scared me. But anyway, let's just, like I said again, let's just get this pack opening over with. I don't want this video too longer than it has to be. So 3, 2, 1, Lego. I hope I get a good kick. Alright, level up card. Okay, Boraicho. And I will get Noxious Reptile. I did not want a Noxious Reptile. I don't like Reptile. I guess I'll take them. Ooh, free shirt. A free card pack. So for diamonds and gold. Alright. Okay. Alright, guys. I'll see you guys later. I love you guys, and yeah. So I kind of knew I was gonna get a reptile in the beginning, so because they always give you reptiles. I don't know why, but yeah. So I'm just gonna wait till like 7 minutes, cause I don't really like 6. I usually wait till like, so right when it hits like 7, then I'll be done. And also, guys, I hope she's cute. If you really think about it, she is though. You know, I go to school with her. I don't know, to be honest, guys. She she always lets me, like I don't know. I don't think I can tell you guys. Like, it's a secret between me and her. And yeah. So I'll see you guys later. I love you guys. I love all of you guys. And yeah. So before I go, let me just tell you guys one little secret. This girl right here, you're staring at on my wallpaper, that is my girlfriend, guys. It also, uh, yeah, guys, I'll see you guys later. Holla at your boy. That is my girlfriend, and yeah, we are currently together, and yes, I when we go upstairs before we go down to lunch, in the cafeteria. Before we do that, we go in the bathroom together, and I be, smacking that baby. Be smacking her butt. So, yeah, so I love you guys, and peace.